Hello, namaste, welcome back. Uh, Now we are in lesson 19, as you see on your screen, and the title is Fir Se. Fir Se. Fir Se. Fir is later and then. Alright? And Fir Se together is again and once more. Right? The meaning here completely changes, completely transforms. Both are adverbs, right? But the meaning is different. Fir is later or then, and fir se is again or once more. Alright? Now let's go to the lesson story. The lesson story is Raju has completed 6 months in the school and it is time for mid-session exams. Raju will be conducting a few tests next week and he wants to ensure that all the concepts are clear for the students and he asks them if they need his help for the revision. Right? How he does that, we will see in the lesson story. So in this lesson, we will learn how to express your desires in Hindi. The verb we use to express our wishes, our desires is chahna, to want. Alright, so in this lesson, in these sentences, you will see the use of chahna. Alright, now I will read these sentences slowly for you and then we will discuss the grammar. Right? The first sentence is a question. आप लोग कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं? आप लोग कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं? फिर से again कुछ पढ़ना चाहते हैं? फिर से कुछ पढ़ना चाहते हैं? कुछ समझना चाहते हैं? कुछ समझना चाहते हैं? कुछ समझना चाहते हैं? And fourth one is मैं चाहता हूँ, I want. मैं चाहता हूँ कि आपकी तैयारी पूरी हो. मैं चाहता हूँ कि आपकी तैयारी पूरी हो. एंड फाइनल कोई फेल होना चाहता है? कोई फेल होना चाहता है. Alright, so these were the 5 sentences. Now the first sentence is आप लोग कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं. आप लोग कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं. Right? Now before I explain this to you, let's see this English one. He wants to read a novel. Now, is his desire to read a novel. The verbs we used here is to want and to read. Right? The first one is conjugated. The verb want is conjugated. And the second verb, the desired action, is as it is, or in its infinitive form. Alright? Similarly, in Hindi, what do we do? There are two verbs here. The first verb is a new word for you, पूछना, to ask, and to want, चाहना, is conjugated and became चाहते. पूछना used as it is in its infinitive form. आप लोग कुछ is some or something. It can be both indefinite pronoun or an adjective. कुछ, some or something. आप लोग कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं. Do you guys want to ask something? This is the question. Raju asks, right? Do you guys want to ask something? Right? Now, you can make many similar sentences. आप लोग कुछ पूछना. Let's replace पूछना with other verbs. देखना, to watch. आप लोग कुछ देखना चाहते हैं. Do you guys want to watch something? आप लोग कुछ सुनना, to listen. Do you guys want to listen to something? आप लोग कुछ पीना, पीना is to drink. आप लोग कुछ पीना चाहते हैं. Do you guys want to drink something? खाना, to eat. आप लोग कुछ खाना चाहते हैं. Alright? Now let's see the second sentence. फिर से कुछ पढ़ना चाहते हैं. फिर से again कुछ something. पढ़ना, this verb we have already done. पढ़ना, to read, to study. चाहते हैं. You guys want to read something, study something? Again, alright? कुछ समझना चाहते हैं. कुछ समझना. समझना चाहते हैं. समझना, again a new verb. समझना. दी समझना. समझना. कुछ समझना चाहते हैं. You guys want to understand something. Meaning, do you guys want to revise something? Alright? Understand? You want me to explain this topic to you. Alright? समझना चाहते हैं. समझना. To understand. Then, fourth one. मैं चाहता हूँ. मैं चाहता हूँ. Now here there are two clauses. Alright? मैं चाहता हूँ आपकी तैयारी पूरी हो. आपकी तैयारी पूरी हो. The first one is I want. And the second one is that your preparation is complete. Right? And both these clauses are joined by a conjunction कि. That. मैं चाहता हूँ कि. I want that. After the sentences expressing desires, the second sentence coming after कि will be in subjunctive tense. Subjunctive tense. Alright? Now we'll not go in detail for now because subjunctive is something we do in advanced level. Alright? But now let me explain the basics. In Hindi, subjunctive is used to express permission, desire, probability, and suggestion, for example. Okay, that's it. Now, here you see मैं चाहता हूँ. मैं चाहता हूँ कि. I want that. The next sentence, the sentence after he, will be in subjunctive tense. Subjunctive tense. Will not go in detail, but if the subject for the next sentence is a third person singular, then the verb, helping verb, to be, होना, will be conjugated as हो. Here, आपकी तैयारी और preparation is a third person singular, so we used हो. मैं चाहता हूँ कि आपकी तैयारी पूरी हो. One more example. मैं चाहता हूँ कि सब ठीक हो. I want that, or I want everything to be good. Fine. I want everything to be good. Fine. कि सब ठीक हो. Alright? So that was the fourth sentence. We used pura in this. Pura is complete. And puri, complete, feminine. Pura is masculine and puri, feminine, adjective. Now, कोई फेल होना चाहता है. कोई फेल होना चाहता है. Now, here, Raju is asking in a funny way, कोई is कोई is anyone. Right? Indefinite pronoun. Can also be someone. Anyone in a sentence, if a sentence is negative or interrogative, then anyone in a affirmative sentence, simple sentence, कोई is someone. कोई फेल होना. Fail होना. Fail is English. होना is to be. To fail. कोई फेल होना चाहता है. Does anyone want to fail? Anyone want to fail? Now, let's remove fail hona let's replace fail hona, with other verbs. Does anyone cinema जाना चाहता है? कोई सिनेमा जाना चाहता है. कोई खाना खाना चाहता है. Does anyone want to eat? कोई गाना सुनना चाहता है. Does anyone want to listen to a song? कोई टीवी देखना चाहता है. Does anyone want to watch TV? Right? We can make many sentences like this. So that's all for the sentences. 5 sentences I've explained in detail. Now let's go to the other parts of this lesson. So in this lesson, I have not given any exercise, but still, if you want to practice or do some exercises by yourself, then you can definitely check the revision worksheet I have uploaded after this lesson for you. Now let's see the remaining sections of this chapter. Explanation notes, you can check these. This is a summary of everything I just explained to you, right? Then the next section is a new section. Observe, we'll find example sentences here. We will read them together, right? But let's see first the third one. Translation, you can check for the sentence structure and vocabulary, this part, this section, right? Now let's read these sentences slowly. वे जयपुर जाना चाहते हैं. वे जयपुर जाना चाहते हैं. हम कल पढ़ना चाहते हैं. हम कल पढ़ना चाहते हैं. हम कल पढ़ना चाहते हैं. आप क्या लेना चाहते हैं? आप क्या लेना चाहते हैं? आप क्या खरीदना चाहते हैं? आप क्या खरीदना चाहते हैं? कोई टॉयलेट जाना चाहता है? कोई टॉयलेट जाना चाहता है? कोई पूछना चाहता है? कोई पूछना चाहता है? देन कोई ये समझना चाहता है? कोई ये समझना चाहता है? सब काम करना चाहते हैं. सब काम करना चाहते हैं. So that's all for this lesson. All right. Now I will see you in the next. Bye.